Once again, you are welcome to KenyKob TV. We will continue to plead with you to like, share, and then subscribe to our channel. Yes, so as you can see, we are having our second round of production to go on right away. And yes, Mr. Man is doing his thing. So very soon, our second round of prep will be coming. Thank you for watching KenyKob TV. Subscribe, like, and share for others to also benefit. Thank you. These are my piglets that I'm about to wean from their mother, and it's every female here. The babies are first-time born babies, so I'm really impressed with how they are growing and how they are. They are yet to be 2 months, so you can see. Give your pig quality feed, quality environment, and then quality water with quality veterinary assistance, and you are going to be okay. So yes, today we're giving an update on the farm. We continue to talk more about the pig farm. So there you go. These ones are also newborn piglets. In fact, they are a week old. Yeah, so as you can see, they are relaxing and enjoying on the sawdust, and I'm really a happy grandfather. I'm really a happy grandfather. So that's what KenyKob Pig Farm is doing. Last September we started with the IMO system, and then as you can see, all our rooms are now IMO and things are going well. Forget about the sound because there is a person about to go on over there, and then things are getting rough there. So that's all. First round has been successful, and they are preparing for the second round. So this is the fire trying to get the female into action. He finished with the first round some 10 minutes ago, and he wants to quickly do the second round. They say like father like son. It's just a saying. Yeah, so this one too Venus, and they are really growing really good. And actually this is my weaning room, so if I take you from your mother, this is where you will come and stay for 2 months before we start separating you with sizes. So that's how it's going here. And these ones too are mothers that are waiting to also enjoy from the male who is with the female. So we are on it. Things are going quite well, and the farm is doing good. These ones too, they have about a week to be weaned. My animals, I give you 8 weeks, then I wean you, because breast milk is very important. Just as human beings, the babies need breast milk, piglets too, they need breast milk. So I give you breast milk for 8 weeks before I wean you. Same as this one. They were all born around the same week, so they will all be weaned during the same time, and then they will be brought to this middle part where we have these 10 piglets that they are about to go to their fattening room. And as a grandfather, I just got this lucky news this morning. Yeah, so they are also relaxing. That's how KenyKob Farm is going. And yeah, there you go. These ones, they are barely 2 weeks old, and you can see that they are really healthy and they're doing good. So yeah, I will attach pictures and videos of their birth to this video so that you will see that yes, when they were born and how things are going. Yes, and these are females that have been recrossed. Yeah, they've been crossed by the male to the female. One male crossing 15 females. He's enjoying himself, so that's how it is. We are just working on their room, you know. You can see Akosi Daniel doing his thing, aka Atomdala bread, yes. And then we also have Kwame Ernest, aka Supasti, yeah, the best baba in Goku Estate. There you go. Yeah, so that's how it is. And then this is our final room. This one's too, yeah, really going well. In fact, this mother had an issue with breast milk, and I thank my friend Ebenezer with a herbal remedy which helped her to get breast milk, and then it sustained the piglets, and also we gave them an injection, you know. So that's how it is. Thank you for watching KenyKob, and then we'll link up later.